A reaction test minigame. Insert all needles into the sphere to win. Collide with other needles and get hurt. Parameter binding. Game launch name. Set launch name, then call via plugin command or script. Asset path. All game assets, fill in the path. Game settings. Fill in game config info here. Start level, end level. After config, which level to start? Reach end level to win. Formulas supported. Player's HP. Starting HP when entering game. Lose 1 HP on mistake. HP less than 0 equals game over. Reset data on next level. Reset score on next level. Reset time on next level. Reset count. Reset player HP on next level. Data config. Configure info here. Needle speed. Speed up per frame after launch. Unit, pixels. Pre-launch prep time. Unit, frames. Frames needed before launch. Score on successful insert. Formula supported. Sphere random movement. Sphere changes direction randomly each phase. 360 degrees equals 1 full circle. Random direction. True equals clockwise. False equals counterclockwise. Both directions have equal probability. Sphere completes 1 rotation phase. Note, turn parameter, calculated from random angle. Total angle divided by 360, floor rounded. Use this for stable rotation speed. Prevents sudden speed changes. Needle assets. Add multiple needles, random selection. Enter needle names with commas to bind multiple. Sphere assets can also be configured. Use slim/long needle assets. Otherwise, collision detection may be inaccurate. Extra BG. Add extra BG for assets. Show asset name. Asset position. Blend mode. Opacity. Scale. Anchor point. Default is center. Foreground layer. Add foreground image. Independent settings. If general settings don't fit all levels, set independent data per level here. Identical to default data. Per level config, priority over general settings. Each level can have different assets and params. Win/loss conditions. Configure win/loss conditions here. Win. Insert all needles. Win, exceed score. Loss, time limit. Enable conditions to take effect, formulas supported. Player HP UI. Configure player HP UI at bottom right. Show. HP asset used. HP assets follow a fixed naming rule. Asset name, col row frames.png. Col row. This creates an auto-animated asset. Asset position. Offset between each element. Opacity when active. Opacity when inactive. Scale when active/inactive. And tint. Tint same as MV/MZ tint method. Max display cap. UI display cap, different from actual HP. Excess HP shown as numeric text. Number config below. Number offset. Number format. Size, color. Border width. Border color. Use assets. If using assets for numbers, text settings are ignored. Assets need chars 012345678 plus asterisk. Condition config, merged. Shows win/loss conditions at top left. Condition position. Condition font size. Condition color config. Condition display. Show condition-related text. Needle progress bar config, bottom left buffer. Position. Buffer width, needles distributed evenly. Note, if not enabled, the display area won't show. Score text. Score progress bar. Remaining time text and progress bar. Time progress bar settings. Show progress bar. True equals show, false equals hide. Progress bar mode. Increasing or decreasing. Progress bar position. Assets used for progress bar. Dynamic progress bar. If dynamic, value transitions smoothly. Extra data config. Prep zone, start pose, end pose. Needle spawn and transition. Display zone. Needle scale. Opacity. Opacity when not selected. And tint. Frames to pause on collision. Sound position. Sound on needle launch. Fill SE sound file. Random sound range. pitch/volume. Sound on needle insertion. Same for below. Sound on needle collision. Keyboard key instead of mouse left click. Bind keys for mouse launch alternative. If virtual mouse is on, key binding works, otherwise not. Common event detection. Bind common events for detection. Common event on game start. Common event on next level. Common event on win/loss. And common event on needle insert. Common event on launch. And common event on needle collision.